Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove a phone number on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply open your profile, and here you can see this type of interface. Now you can tap on edit profile, and after this you can just simply scroll down and here you can now tap on edit your about info at very last, and now you can just simply scroll down, and in the contact info section you can see your phone number. Now tap on your pencil icon that is next to the phone number, and now you can tap on manage contact info, and here you can see this type of page. Now you can tap on your phone number, and now you can tap on delete number, and this is the way you can remove a phone number on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.